Hi guys, Yuri here again. Today I'm going to unbox the Galaxy Buds Pro. These ones came to me in the pre-order package with my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, which I have right over here in my case. Right. Now I'm gonna unbox these Galaxy Buds Pro. I actually originally didn't really plan to buy these ones, but if they're in the package, it's very welcome because they're quite a bit of value. I think 150 euros, I believe. But yeah, so let's look at the box right here. And similarly to the box of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, on the top on the sticker here you have also these marked corners, and today I'm not gonna peel them off. I'm gonna slice it open because that's just a quicker way to do it. And guys, I know that from my unboxing on the Galaxy S22, it's of course easier to slice it open, but it's still weird that they do that. So let's slice these stickers open. Alright, same on the bottom one, which is a different one, don't really know why. That's it. Let's see. Alright, so nice package on the top here. It says Samsung here with a little clip over there. Probably just the manuals over here. Let's see. Yeah, just some instruction manuals, I believe. Let's put this to the side. And here they are. So we have some different kind of size buds, probably. Different sizes for the earbuds, I believe. So let's check this. Oh no, this is actually the cable. This is actually the cable that they come with. For me, that's not really that useful because I have a wireless charger in that. Oh, these are the different size earbuds. Okay. I think from what I've seen that there are two other sizes in here. And this is a USB to USB-C cable. I don't really know why in the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra they have a USB-C to a USB-C type cable, and this one is USB-A to USB-C. I don't know why they also didn't choose to have a USB-C to USB-C cable. Whatever though. I can still use this. So let's open these different sized buds. This is pretty small to get open actually. Alright. Yeah, so two smaller sizes in the middle there and two bigger sizes on the sides. I will try that out later, probably. Most of the time, earbuds do not really fit my ears that good, but yeah, I'll see with this one. Okay, this feels quite solid. There's nothing left in the box, I believe. So this is it. Samsung Sound by AKG. Is there something on the back? This is probably on which I can put for the wireless charging. The USB-C cable I can put here, and let's put it open. Okay, so I believe they're already charged as there is a green light shining there. Yeah, so I feel the magnets right here pulling. Okay, so this is left. As you can see, the left ear. I've never had these kinds of buds. I think I will have to try a couple of. I believe I will have to try a couple of times to see how I will have to fit them in my ears. But yeah, let's see if that works out right away. I'm pretty curious how they will fit actually. I definitely think I will have to change the sizes of these buds, because I believe if I will run around with these ones like this, that they're gonna fall out of my head. I already feel them moving quite a bit right now, so I probably will exchange these ones with some of the other sizes. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of this of the Galaxy Buds Pro. I will probably do some videos on how to link them with your Galaxy phone as well, and how that works with the application and such probably. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.